Ooh-wee. I wasn't kidding. But there was a big root in here, and it keeps on going that way. Now, the mowing strip stops about right there. See, here's my landscape lighting wire, and I even went back beyond that, and I'm going to cut it way back there. You know, if you're not going to do your job right, you might as well just pack up and leave right now, because if you try to chop it just perfect with the edge of that, next thing you know, that root's going to continue growing and it's going to go out further. And you know what? You know what? See that? I thought it might be coming from this tree here, but look at this. I think it's coming from this tree. Because see how this root here is traveling right along the top edge of the grass. It goes out over to here, and the slightly raised area there, that root could be going this way, and I thought the end of it, I thought it was coming from this tree. So if I cut it back there, it would take a while to grow back, but and I'm not sure now. It could be coming from this, but I really don't want to pull the grass up per se. And I did kind of pull the grass back just a hair, you know, like that, so I can cut that. I think I need to work on that a little bit more in case it's coming from there. I'll dig the dirt under there a little bit more before I take my loppers and chopping it off. See, I wouldn't have caught that had I not talked about it on the video. I would have cut it right next to the edge of the grass, thinking, okay, that root's not going to grow anymore. But if it is coming from that tree, the root's going to continue growing, and it could lift that up some more. So I'll see what I can't do about undercutting under the grass a little bit, wedging it in there, lifting that grass up just a little, and chopping it off. And then hopefully, if it is growing from there, hopefully if it continues, maybe it'll kind of go down lower and it won't raise that up. And if it does raise it up later, I guess I'll have to cut the grass out, you know, in a chunk, scrape it off, you know, clean it off, kind of like a sod, dig it up back to about there, let's say, and cut the root off, put it all back, put the grass back, and leave it be for a few more years. That's just kind of odd, because if it is coming from that tree, it's coming all the way over to here. And it's funny, all of this mowing strip along this edge is all nice and straight, not lifted up at all. Okay.